Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Finance for Beginners. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your central bank account. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, go to your browser and your default search engine. Then search Central Bank Login US. Then go to the first result that shows up or go to www.centralbank.net. Then take you to the official website of Central Bank. There on the left side, enter your user ID, then click to go. Then enter your password, then you should be able to access your central bank account. If you have forgot your user ID or password, you can get help by clicking to Forgot User ID or Password. And if you haven't enrolled your online banking yet, click to Enroll in Online Banking. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.